Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to set up a restore point on Windows computer. Okay, let's get started. Search for recovery on your computer. Then click on this one. In this window, click on Configure System Restore. From the list of available hard drives, click on Local Disk C, then click Configure. You then have to turn on System Protection, then use the bar at the bottom to adjust the amount of disk space to be used for system restore files. Click on Apply, then OK. Once done, click on Create to create the restore point. Give it a name of your choice, then click on Create. The computer will then begin creating the restore point. It may take long depending on how big your system files are. Once done, you'll see this success note: the restore point was created successfully. Just close this box. You can check it by clicking on Open System Restore. You can see that the restore point has been created. Leave me a comment in the comment section in case you run into trouble. You can also suggest topics or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching. Watch my previous video on the left, and another recommended video on the right. Like and share the video, it means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.